So, as we mentioned in the previous lesson of this course, the AI video agent inside of Hagen has limitless potential, right? And limitless possibilities. And the real bottleneck in this content creation, again, space with AI is your imagination. And this is exactly why Hagen also has an AI tools section inside of the software. Now, with this AI tools section, it just gives you some recommendations on what you can do with AI, and it also subdivides it into different types of tools. So let's actually go ahead and check out some of these different AI tools, and let me show you how cool it is to engage with them and how many different creations you can start creating. So right now, we are again inside of Hagen in the tools section. So we have the homepage of the tool section. Again, all of these are the different subcategories that we have been mentioning like multiple times in this course. And the different subcategories inside of the tool section is the integrations tab, of course, which you can just integrate different software to work with Hagen. We're not going to dive into too much detail here because this is a bit more advanced. What we are going to be analyzing is the product placement section, the UGC ads, instant highlights, batch mode, video podcast, face swap, generate B-roll, and the generate images section, which all are pretty self-explanatory, but I just want you to see the outcome that you can get from all of these different types of, again, AI video creation solutions. So let's start with the product placement. What do you achieve with the product placement? You drag and drop an image of a product, then you drag and drop an image of your avatar, and you can simply start combining these images and creating high quality videos that highlight these products. And this is perfect if you have, let's say, a small e-commerce shop, or you just want to showcase, again, the external features of a, again, product without needing to hire a content creator to do so. And you can actually do this with yourself. So here are some sample photos of products and people. You can check this, for example, it's a small labubu, right? And a video of an avatar. So you can use this avatar. Now, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm actually going to use a profile picture of mine, right? You can see it right here. So let's see if actually we will be able to create like a video of me showing this labubu. So let's click on create combined images, right? And this, again, might take about 60 seconds. So we're now combining, again, product images and avatars. And after that, we're going to start to add scripts. So we're actually going to be creating a video step by step. Now, keep in mind that for the usage of this and for the execution of this video, Hagen is using Avatar 4 and VO 3.1, which are just some AI video creation solutions. So now we are about to choose which one looks the best, right? And okay, this is way off. This is a bit better. This guy doesn't look like me. And I think that this is actually the best, which is insanely how good this was created. Let's click on this one and then add a script. Wow, that's insane. So let's see the script. Let's see. This is the best labu you can buy right now. Let's see. It's like some just random stuff. It's green and let's say smooth, and it also smells great for some reason. Check it out in my eShop today. Just a very random type of script. And now we can also have custom motion prompts. And this is, of course, with Hagen Premium, right? And you can describe the gestures and the facial expressions that you want your avatar to have, which is absolutely, again, insane. So let's go ahead and select the voice here. And we can use this voice, which is the Gary high-pitched voice, or my voice. Let's hear my voice, for example. Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. So let's use this voice, actually. So we generated this. And now that we've selected the voice and we have the script done, we click on generate video. And of course, we can also change the resolution here from 720p to 1080p. We don't need to do this right now. But again, if you want like high quality videos, you can upgrade to Hagen Premium. So now, as you can see, our video is rendering, and just gonna wait a bit until the video is 100% ready. And by the way, when a video is completely rendered, you also get an email on your email address. So you don't need to refresh every time on the agent page. So I'll be back when the video is 100% rendered. And look at this, just like that, our video is rendered. Let's actually go ahead and click on it so we see how our small product placement looks like. Let's see it. Let's see it. This is the best Labubu you can buy right now. It's green and smooth, and it also smells great for some reason. Check it out in my eShop today. How crazy is this? Guys, come on. Like, it's just driving me crazy every time that I'm creating an AI video with this software. But it looks so good. Like, with my profile picture and the Labubu, look at this. Let's see it again. This is the best Labubu you can buy right now. It's green and smooth, and it also smells great for some reason. Check it out in my eShop. And like the gestures are also so like natural flowing, like the lip sync, the gestures, like the hand movements. This is the best Labubu you can buy right now. It's green and smooth, and it also smells great for some reason. Check. Wow, that's absolutely insane. And this was just one of the different tools that we can use. So if we go ahead again and click on tools, right? This was the product placement tool that we used. And now we can also do a UGC ad. So again, in the UGC ads, we're literally creating ad videos, right? So you can upload like your product image, the exact image of a product that you want to be advertising. Let's say, for example, that I want to be advertising. Let's think of something actually pretty cool. Let's see, a fountain pen, right? So let's click on fountain pen. Let's actually source like a good image of a fountain pen. Maybe this one. Yeah, this looks like a good image. So I'm just downloading this image, and let's actually go ahead and import this image right here. And that's the image of our fountain pen. It's great. And now it's time to also upload an image of our target avatar. So I'm just going to be pasting like the image of me, like our target avatar here, right? Choose the AI model. And again, you can see that the most costly AI models, like Vero 3.1, for example, are going to be the best in image, let's say, in video generation. And you can see like how many credits it costs. So for example, this costs like 90 credits, but Sora 2 only costs 15 credits. So let's actually test Sora 2 just for the sake to save some credits and actually see how the worst, let's say, AI creates the videos. I'm going to test this, and I'm going to name this actual video fountain pen UGC video, right? Avatar position, let's do it bottom left. Why not? The duration, we're gonna have it like, let's actually do 8 seconds, right? Avatar scale 0.5. Create video. And again, keep in mind that this is a hard video to be created because we're advertising a fountain pen, which is a relatively like small sized product, and we're having the exact same avatar. And of course, needless to say that you can use your cloned self, the self that we cloned previously in previous lessons of this course in the avatar section, to produce the video itself. So again, the video is rendering here, and we just gotta wait a bit as we did with the target avatar video number 4. And as this is rendering actually, which is gonna take like less than 60 seconds, let's actually see this video again, which is absolutely insane. This is the best Labubu you can buy right now. It's green and smooth, and it also smells great for some reason. Check it out in my eShop. Wow, 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 wow. This is going to completely change the way that content is produced forever. Do you remember this video right here that we created previously in this course? Look at this. Again, this is just completely scripted by me. This is not me saying this video. Welcome to our smartphone videography course. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your smartphone camera? How crazy is this whole process here? I'm actually super amazed. So let's wait for this UGC video to be created, and I'll be back when it's completely rendered. So check this out. The fountain pen UGC video is done. Let's actually go ahead and view it. And keep in mind that UGC videos are usually like, they include B-roll of the product, and we just have like the persona, right? The subject of the video in the bottom left, bottom right, top left, or top right, just talking after we have B-roll of the product. So let's see it. Solid brass, polished chrome, and 23 karat gold accents. Balance for effortless flow. Yeah, so it looks like a commercial pretty much. Like, it's pretty straightforward. It looks like a video commercial. And let's see actually if the fountain pen looks like the fountain pen that we chose. So yeah, it's pretty much like the exact same product, right? Which is like super important. So yeah, it's the exact same product actually. Let's see the video one more time. Cross fountain pen, solid brass, polished chrome, and 23 karat gold accents. Balance for effortless flow with a nib that glides like air. It's interesting. It's interesting. Now, of course, we can refine this video furthermore, and we can change like the product, we can change the subject, we can change the script. But you just saw like a different type of commercial that you can create with Hagen. So this was like the first target avatar video with the first, let's say, product video that we created, and this was the second product video that we created. And I'm just again going through like the features of Hagen pretty fast. That you can imagine that you can spend more time like refining the videos that were created, but just for demonstrative purposes. I'm just again going through these features more promptly. But in the next lesson, we're actually going to be working on the instant highlights section with Hagen, because the instant highlights section, which is pretty much like the fact that you can upload like a long form video on Hagen, or at least paste the link of a long form video inside of Hagen, and then Hagen will find like the best parts of the video that have the higher chances of going viral and just clip them and create short form videos out of them. It's actually one of the features that it's super important, and you can actually find other, again, AI software on the web doing the exact same thing, but Hagen actually is better. So in the next lesson of this course, we're exactly analyzing the highlight tool inside of Hagen. So thanks so much for being here, and I'm going to see you in the next lesson of this course.